Hey, so in this quick Google Sheets tutorial, I'm going to show you how to analyze some sales data based by team member and by region. And we're going to use the SUMIFS function for this. So how we carry out the SUMIFS function is that we go equals SUMIFS, and then what we're going to do is first off, we're going to find our sum range, which is C here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to do our criteria range, which is all our team members here. And then next is the criteria, which is Anna. And the next part is actually the criteria range 2, which is north and south, followed by the criterion, which is north here that I've placed down. And when I end the brackets, we can see that Anna in the north has sold $500. If we change this to Anna in the south, she'll have sold $800. So Anna North, we can see $500 of sales, and no other sales of Anna's in the north, whereas in the south she has $800 of sales. And if we change to Ben here, and we can see that Ben in the south has sold $400, and let's see when we change this to north, Ben has sold $600 in the north. So that's how we do the SUMIFS function in Google Sheets.